Good morning. We're in the photo studio today for Designer's Den because we just got in this new living room collection, which I'm super excited to show you. We are seeing several trends in this space that is trending in furniture and interiors. The first one is the lighter brown upholstery. We're seeing a shift from the gray cool tones to the warmer brown tones. And it's not the deep chocolate brown so much, it's more of this nice lighter tone brown. Also, not only are we seeing it in sofas and love seats, but in case goods, so your wood products, which this set has a nice lighter wood trim. And also, it's the combination of black and brown. You can totally use black and brown in a space, and this space shows how you can do it successfully. What I love about this group, which is an all-leather sofa, it's super comfortable. I love the clean lines. It's very crisp, and the wood trim really highlights that. And also, I like to call these arms a party arm. So if you have people over, you have an additional seat basically on this arm, and this is a solid piece of furniture, so no worries with having somebody sit here. I personally love the warm brown tones. I've always had that in my space, but we want to know what you enjoy. Are you still holding on to the gray cool tones, or are you going to embrace the warm brown tones? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you next week for Designer's Den.